Hello and good morning. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are here today with a unboxing of a giveaway that I won on Instagram from Rosalind. I won this gel polish set. There were 10 winners. I was one of. So we're going to dive in. I already have looked, so I guess it's not quite an unboxing. It is for you. But I previously swatched them out, so to save time. So we're going to dive right in. It's an 8-piece collection. And I ripped the box when I opened it. It didn't come that way. I did it on the boo-boo. Rosalind, what is UV gel? And it answers the question. You have got how to use, how to remove your do-it-yourself nail art. There's pictures down below. On the back, Q&A. Let me put that aside. I'm going to pop all these babies out, but I'm going to pause while I do it so you don't have to sit through. Alright, we are back. Like I said, this is an 8-piece collection. I'm going to try to bring them in closer, so they're not quite so spread apart on the desk. I'm going to lay them out. Whoopsie. I think I'm missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am missing one. Oh, it's on the floor. 02 is our white. 03 is our black. Number 15 is our oops. That's not it. Our iridescent. Let me do this as I go along. We have a white, which is your typical white. Same with your black. I did put 2 coats on. And with your white and your black, you want to make sure you put thin coats on, otherwise it will wrinkle. Save yourself some wrinklage time. This is an iridescent, which I think is really, really pretty. I did 2 coats. Let me show you. There's over my nail. So 3 coats, maybe 4 would probably be opaque, which would be pretty cool. Again, that's number 15. Number 16 is this light brown. And here's the bottle. They do have peekaboo windows. These are 5 ml. They are true to color. If it's a little bit dark, one of my lamps blew last night. It's like somebody hit a switch. Turn on and off, on and off, on and off. So, and our next color is, kind of looks like a brown. Oh, that's my orange. That's my orange. We'll skip and do the orange. 2406, I wrote the wrong numbers down. This is our orange. This is, I think, a fall collection. 9526. Which will be this color right here, I think. I wrote down the wrong numbers. How did I do that? This is like a peaky peach. I can see me using all the colors, which is cool. This is the gray. And again, these are two coats. I did 30 seconds here on each. And these are top coated. Whoops. Whoopsie. Here's our last and final color. It's a brownish family shade. Here is the last color. It's, I would say, in the brown family. Not brown, but it's in the brown family. I'm grateful to Rosalind for drawing my name, and I thank you very much. Check them out on, these came off Amazon, so you can check them out there. Price range for this, I'm going to guess, because I was on the nose and I couldn't find this exact set. So I know it came from there because I thought it was delivered. I'm going to guess this is around a $10 set. The original collection that I was supposed to have won, they messaged me and said it was out of stock, so they sent this as a replacement. And I'm grateful. I'm very, very grateful. I have an orange, which you always use a lot of orange in the fall. That's fine by me. So I would say this is a fall collection. Again. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my prize for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.